Welcome back to TradeProFX.co.ke. So this is an update before I cross my day into trading. So let's just try the TradeProFX.co.ke and then we log in very simply. So remember we are standing at 127. So we are going to use the over one instead of the over one and under 8. Remember we did that while using this bot. So I'm going to the next one, over one bot, trade all markets. That is the bot I'm going to do. So we have more like over two. We have others like this one, alternates markets on wins and stays on losses. And we have over one and with 50 cross. We have under 7, we have under 8, we have even odd. So many bots here. So for me, I'm going to use the over one bot only. So it is upon you. So this is the bot I'm using. So that is what I want to use, and then we start trading. So we hope to reach this account. It is only that fear usually captures someone because let me just test with 3 trades. If all are successful, we enter full margin, because the more now we stay waiting for so long, it is not good. So let's just wait. I told you the markets usually it trades on based on analysis. It is upon you. Just read that document and you will understand that the bot is trading in this category. What it is checking, the analysis is direct. So for me, I'm going to try full margin after I see 3 trades. That means if I'm trading over one, it means that I only need you can see my phone is having some low battery, so we need to also cross our trading sessions. So what I'm saying, over one is trading. It means that whenever I win with the digit 2 to 9, that is 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, I will get my best entries. Like that is the first win, and you can see over one, the last digit is 2, so meaning any digit that appears from 2 to the end to 9, I will win. Let's say the next one has appeared 5, the last digit on that price, so you can see it is 5, so means it is over 1. So let's wait for another one. In case there is a profit, I'll just stop and we enter full margin. We go only for 2 trades. I'm sure by the time someone will be executing many trades using 5555, and then me who has decided to risk the full margin, making to 50 is very easy for me instead of targeting that small 10 USD. And then it will take so much time for me to stay here waiting for that profit. So let's just wait. If it is a win, I'll just get to full margin. So it is very easy. So let's just observe here. I remember here it's where the entry, so the last entry, perfect, 8 is the outcome. So let's stop. We get into risking the whole amount, because I think waiting for the boat to go for so many, because by the end of the time we might get 1 or 2 losses. So by that time, before it gets to any loss, let me just scoop my trades as fast as possible. Are we together? So I'll just stop my trading as it is, because right now if someone wanted only 3 USD, the person has gotten. So let's get, and then we add. So we have 129.95. that is what we are going to use. So 129.95. so let's put that, and then okay, so just start trading automatically, and then we can get to the journal part. So that is where the analysis is taking place. So anytime, whenever it meets, it enters a trade and we risk every digit. Perfect. And that is the first entry. So 4 is the outcome. We have 24.94. So you can see we are at 27. We wait for the next trade. Get back to the journal part, and you can see the analysis is happening very well. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for an entry. By the time we hit another 24, already we will be at a 50 break profit, and we call it a day, because nothing much. As long as you end up with 50-50, that is some good amount if you are growing a small account. I told you this account will reach up to 1,000 USD, as we are doing it practically each and every day, and I'll be showing you the bots, because I've noted Most of you are asking me, what about these free bots? Let's use the free bots because whatever I've put there is very manageable, and it's a bot I believe that can generate even the small account growers very good amounts. Are we together? So if you have a small account, as long as you are disciplined, and then we have other people who are risk takers. Like now me, you can see I'm risking the whole amount because I know if I risk only 2 trades and I get out of the market, I'm good to go. So let's just wait and see. Perfect. And then we have that last trade is at 52.76. We are good with that. We can call it a day. Let's get to the to just get contented with that. Until next time, let's meet in the next video.